What do you think they're gonna look like?
The caterpillar.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Cheryl and today I'm back with another video. So in today's video I will be laminating my eyebrows at home. But if you are new to my channel, welcome. My channel is all about beauty, skincare and natural hair, so if that kind of content interests you, I really appreciate it if you could show support to my channel by subscribing. Also, welcome back if you are already subscribed. You know how much I appreciate your love and support. Now let's get into the video. So as I said before, today I'll be laminating my eyebrows. I first saw this trend on Instagram and then I did see a few videos on YouTube as well, so I wanted to try it out myself. And I'm not gonna lie, I'm actually quite nervous. I've never done anything to my eyebrows before, like perming them or tinting them, but I have tried out eyebrow extensions before. Yes, I said eyebrow extensions. If you wanted to view that video, I will leave it up in the iCards and I'll leave it in the description box below so you can watch that video after this one. So I am really into that fluffy brow look. Whenever I do my own eyebrows, when I put makeup on, I do use Got To Be glue. Don't judge me, but I use it to kind of make my eyebrows look feathered and then I pencil them in. I know it's probably not the healthiest option, but it works for me. So hopefully if this works today, it will be more of a semi-permanent solution rather than putting Got To Be glue on my eyebrows every time I do them. So apparently the effects of this eyebrow perm lasts about 4 weeks, and also if you wanted to try it out for yourself, I will leave everything that I use today in the description box below. So I will be using this lash lift kit that I found on, ooh, why is it so bright? There we go. So I will be using this lash lift kit that I found on Amazon. This was about £20, but I heard that the actual treatment to do this to your eyebrows in the salon could cost you anywhere from £80 upwards. So this is actually for perming eyelashes, but as I said today, I'll be using it for my eyebrows. So there's a couple steps on here on the instructions that I will not be following. They are actually numbered from 1 to 9, and I'll be using instructions 1, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. This is what my eyebrows look like. My eyebrow hairs are individually quite long, but I prefer, my eyebrows normally lay like this, pretty flat, but today we'll be laminating them, so they should be something like that. That's what something I would like to achieve. Right now I'm going to go ahead and use the lash glue that they provided to make my eyebrows stay like this, and then I'm going to brush them through with a disposable mascara wand. Okay, so I finished both and this is what my brows look like now. My eyebrows are so stubborn. I had to put so much lash glue and brush them through quite a few times to get them to stay, but honestly it's nothing new to me. I know I've got really stubborn eyebrows. To apply the perm, which is bottle number 1, on your eyebrows for 8 to 12 minutes. I think I'm going to do it for 12 minutes because, as I said, my brows are quite stubborn. So here is bottle number 1, which is the perm, and it doesn't really come with any sort of applicator, so I think I'm just going to go ahead and use a disposable eyeliner brush to apply that to my brows. Oh wow, oh my god. Yes, it smells like perm. Oh, anyway, let me quickly do this. Now I'm going to apply some cling film and wait 12 minutes. Okay, so it has been 12 minutes and I can't lie, I'm nervous to take this off and see what it fully looks like. The process of doing this wasn't so bad. I still have a few more steps left, but that stuff absolutely stinks. It kind of smells like sulfur and I hate the smell of sulfur. Okay, so the next step is to apply the fixing agent, which is blue, and wait again for another 8 to 12 minutes. I'm a little bit surprised because on the instructions it doesn't say anything about washing it off. It just says to continue applying stuff on top. So I'm going to go ahead and remove this. Oh wow. But now I'm going to apply the fixing agents. Okay guys, so it's been an additional 12 minutes and I haven't taken this off yet, but it looks like my eyebrows are coming along quite well. So it's time to do the next step. What do you think they're gonna look like?
The caterpillar.
Ooh, I kind of like the one on the right.
Slick as hell, man. You slick.
What do you think? They're like your
Slick
eyebrows.
right.
But this one looks perfect. This one looks a bit nah. We'll see. Okay, so to clean my eyebrows, it doesn't really say to like completely wash off the product. It says to just clean them off. So I'm gonna use some cotton buds to go and just clean off the excess. So guys, this is what my brows are looking like before I go ahead and put on step 4, which is nutrition. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Now it doesn't have a specific time that I'm meant to leave this on for. Wow, that's shiny. So I'm just going to go ahead and put it on and then move directly to the next step. The last step is cleanser, which is the clear liquid, and I'm just going to go ahead and apply that now. So guys, this is the results of the perm and I actually really like it. So overall, I'm extremely happy with how my brows look. They are so fluffy and just exactly how I wanted them to be. But yeah guys, this is the finished look. I'm going to do a little bit of a before and after so you can see what they look like. If you enjoyed this video, I would really appreciate if you could give this video a thumbs up. Also subscribe if you haven't already, and as always, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.